So I'm over at a friend's house, and they pointed out that they've got
They're purple,
baby birds. What are they?
purple finch.
Purple finch birds. Look at this. Front row view to the life of a bird. Their little mouths are open, waiting for the mama bird to come back and give them some worms. Or whatever she feeds them.
Yeah, I don't know.
Look at that.
Last year we had 5, this year we only have 4.
Oh, they make nest here regularly?
Yeah, in that wreath.
Oh.
They just,
And they're gone.
Huh. That's cute. How many do you have this year?
4. You just wonder how they can all fit in there.
Oh.
So tiny. They're a small bird.
Got it.
Well, they stay warm that way.
Never thought I'd take up bird watching.